What is up, guys? It's BT back here again with another review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Sony X-Shock headphones. Now the company reached out to me wanting me to do a review on them, so I obliged. Why not? I love trying new headphones. Keep in mind, guys, that all these opinions are my own. They did not sponsor or pay for this in any way. So let's see how they fare. Now these are coming in at $150, which is pretty competitive with what we've been seeing lately on the true wireless market. But the crazy thing is the X-Shocks do a lot of things better than what the competition is doing. So today I'm going to be letting you guys know about these interesting headphones. So in the box you're going to get a pouch, the charging case, the headphones, 2 sets of ear tips, and a clip so you can clip it to your keys or whatnot. So first let's start off with the silicone tips. Now they look small, don't get me wrong, they look very small, they look like they're gonna fall out, but they actually do a really good job of keeping these in your ear. Now I do wish they were a little bit bigger so they would block out and isolate more noise, but they are sports earbuds, keep in mind, so that is something where you want to hear your outside surroundings when you're outside running and things like that. So these are going to be great for runners, but if you're in the gym, not so much. And while tolerable and the volume does get really loud on these, it's still like it leaks a lot of noise, almost like the Bose. So that's one thing I would add with these is bigger silicone tips or some foam tips to go with these, and I think they would be almost perfect for comfort, because without even having these big ear tips, these stay in your ears really well. They don't come out at all. I've never felt like they were ever gonna fall out like I did with the B&O E8s. None of that. These stayed in for my complete workout, so a very good job on the comfort. Now let's talk about this case. Now it is a little bit bigger than what we've been seeing, but that added size, they give you a lot of value, and by value they give you a 3000 milliamp battery charger, so this can charge your phone up to 1 time. Isn't that crazy? And also you're gonna get 60 hours of battery life with this case. Wow, what company do you know that is doing that? Some are barely even getting 8 hours or 12 hours, which is crazy. So they really want to make this worth your while, that if you are going to be carrying a charging case that you can charge your phone as well as the headphones, making it a great value. And I think that's very innovative from them, and that's something that I've never seen from any company. I don't know why nobody has thought of this idea, but Sony has thought of it. While the case is a little bit on the bigger side, it does stay in your pants or your shirt pocket or coat pocket very nicely, and it's very flat, so it won't get in the way as well. Okay, so let's talk about the sound now. Now the sound was good. It's not great. These do one thing really well, and that is vocals. I love clarity in vocals, and these do that very well. If you love vocals, if you listen to a lot of vocal intense music like R&B, rap, rock, these are going to be great for you. They will give you emotion through vocals. But I did find it a little bit thin on the bass, so all you bass heads out there, you might be a little bit disappointed. But the one thing these also do really well is they get very loud, which I like. So if you're not going to put a lot of bass in, at least they made the volume very high. You know, I've been listening to that new Migos album, The Culture 2, with these, and they've held up pretty nicely. I did, when I switched over to a more bassier headphone, notice the difference in the song. So maybe in the next version of these headphones they want to add in a little bit more bass on the bottom side, but then again, that's all personal preference, right? Another area where these really shine is the call quality. Now it is super clear. It is almost like you are right next to the person. Had no complaints with these, which is crazy. And another thing these do really well, which I think should put these in front of your list, at the top of your list when you're looking for true wireless earbuds, is these do not have any lag. They have Bluetooth 4.2, and these things, when you watch YouTube videos, when you're watching anything, when you're changing your songs, there is no delay. How can a company that's just coming to the market, Soul, just destroy Bose, Sony, B&O, all in this one category? And Jaybird, let's not forget Jaybird, you're in that too. They destroyed them by coming to the market with no delay. And I've had no breakups with these, even in the gym. Crowded, lots of people have Bluetooth headphones, no interruptions. Wow. So if you're looking for a solid true wireless earbud, these are going to be for you. And of course, we already talked about the battery life. I mean, 60 hours of playback time total. They've got to be out of their mind. Now, each charge, I was getting about 4 hours of battery life playback at high volume, mid to high volume. So very, very competitive. And these really can compete with some of these top companies, and I think they are worth a shot. If you're looking for something that's going to be solid, you can't go wrong with these, in my opinion. While not perfect, the X-Shocks by Soul do a lot of things right. From the external battery pack that's giving you 60 hours of playback, plus you can charge your phone one time. That's just crazy. They're sweat and waterproof for those of you big sweaters out there. They have really good clarity. The only thing is they are missing a little bit of bass, which I think a lot of the mainstream music is going towards right now. So if they can just add in a little bit more bass, I think these things would be untouchable. And let's not forget that these things have no delay when watching YouTube or videos or within changing songs. And Sony, Bose, and Jaybird couldn't get it right. But somehow this company comes out of nowhere, Soul, and does it right. Makes you kind of think, right, where your money's going to when you buy some of these true wireless earbuds. So Soul, great job. I love the headphones. I do think these are worth $150. They give you enough value here to justify the price, and they just work. And a lot of true wireless earbuds right now aren't working. So great job, Soul. Thank you for sending me these headphones. And I just want to thank you guys all for the support, for the likes on the videos, and just stopping by and supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. More videos to come. It's been your boy BT saying peace.